This is Jared Simpson with MarineMax in Quincy, Massachusetts aboard the 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. This boat's powered with a pair of 300 horsepower Mercury Verados, joystick piloting, easy maneuvering in tight quarters, huge cockpit if you're going to fish or entertain. There's also an optional table that fits in right here in the center, a large stern seat, and an optional portside seat. This boat's equipped with an electric grill, cockpit refrigerator, two 12-inch Raymarine MFDs, autopilot, skyhook, nice portside lounge seat here with a reversible backrest in case you want to face aft while running. Full glass integrated into the hardtop, no canvas forward. Nicely finished cabin with wood flooring, T-cabinetry. Table folds down into a full berth. Nice galley with microwave, cooktop, another refrigerator. Good sized mid cabin with plenty of storage. Finished head compartment with a shower, a vacuum flush toilet. If you'd like additional information on the 315 Conquest, please give us a call at 781-727-0629. Look forward to hearing from you.